Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix can't run PowerShell script on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are unable to run PowerShell script on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is you can try running PowerShell by as an administrator. When you open this Windows PowerShell, just right click on that, then click on run as administrator and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. This was the method 1. Still you are facing the issue, then try the second method. Open the Windows PowerShell, run as administrator. Here you need to type set hyphen execution policy space restricted, then hit enter. After that it will ask yes or no. You have to just press Y, then hit enter and close this window. After doing this, still you are facing the issue, then try the third method, that is regedit. When you type reg, you will find here registry editor. Click on that. In this you need to expand the HK local machine, then software, then policies, then Microsoft, then Windows. You have to just right click on Windows, then click on new, then click on key, then rename this folder as PowerShell. Then hit enter. Come to the right side, click on new, click on dword 32-bit value, then rename it as enable scripts. Then double click on that, then change value to 1, then click OK, close this window and restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix can't run PowerShell script on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.